All right, what is up, everybody? We are here today with a package from Slick Products. I will go ahead and say I'm not sponsored by them. I bought this with my own money. I'll go ahead and kind of tell about my experience as we open this, but we're going to be using and I guess reviewing here, see how it does. So I actually made my initial order for this stuff around the 6th of May, and then it supposedly shipped on the 7th of May. And kept being very delayed shipping, and I sent an email to their customer service asking kind of what's up with this order. And at first they were like, we still think it's gonna come, and they gave me like a little $30 gift card, so that was cool. And then I waited like another week or two, and at this point it had been a month since I placed the order and it had shipped. And I was like, yeah, hey, I don't think this order's coming. It had been at the same tracking location for about 2 weeks now. So they actually just processed me a new order and sent it out quicker. So that's good on them, but I don't know what happened with that initial order. It did take me over a month to receive my order, which is kind of annoying, but we got this little scrub pad here. And by the way, this is the off-road pack as well as the foam cannon. That is what I got. So you got this little scrub here, the little hand scrub. It's possible that other order comes and I eventually get 2 orders for one, but honestly, I've been looking at the tracking and it's been in the same spot. I really don't think it's gonna come. But anyways, right here we got the off-road wash. So this is what we're going to be putting in the foam cannon and diluting a little bit with water. But we got that pretty big pack of this concentrated off-road wash, so we'll see how that works. Got the cleaner and degreaser, which comes in that off-road pack, and a little spray bottle. And lastly, in the off-road pack you get the shine and protectant, which is like, I want to say a silicone based, it may not be silicone based, but something that just kind of at the end you just spray on there and it just shines it up a little bit. Also get a few microfiber rags, it looks like, a little hand brush, and this must be the foam cannon. So let's see what this looks like. So here we have the foam cannon. So I do see in the directions for the foam cannon, it says that they recommend filling the tank about 3/4 full with water and then adding about 4 to 8 ounces of soap, and then you kind of just make slight adjustments to get your desired result. So we're going to do that and get everything out there in the yard and test it out. All right, we got her filled about 3/4 of the way. We're gonna put some of the concentrate in there. Actually a good bit. I'm gonna wash both the KLX 300 and the Z125. They're both pretty dirty. And if I have anything extra, I guess I'll wash my truck. We'll see how long this stuff lasts. So it says each tick mark represents 4 ounces. So it looks like we put about 6 ounces in there. So that'll do it. We'll get everything over there and get to cleaning. All right, so we got the KLX and the Z out here. As you can see, they were used over the weekend and got real dirty. So let's see. So we're gonna see if we can't get them. Even the Z got real dirty. So I'm gonna give them a quick spray down just with the power washer regularly, and just to get all that initial mud and everything off, and then we're gonna do a foam spray on it. All right, and a quick maybe 5-minute power wash where it might look somewhat clean to the eye, but as soon as it really dries, you really see a lot of that dirt come back, and definitely a lot of water spots and a lot of dirt that just dries back on. So now we're going to hook up the foam cannon and get to work. All right, got the foam cannon on. Let's see how she does. Oh yeah. Alright, looks like that's about all the soap we have, so kind of the perfect amount for 2 bikes, I guess. Alright, we're just going to go at it a little bit with the brush and maybe the other tool too. Just real quick. Trying to get the tires and rims and everything. All right, now I'm gonna rinse them both off. All right, so we did get them all rinsed off, and I will say it's looking pretty darn clean. Except for that little spot right there, but coming over to the Z, I'm gonna get them a quick wipe down before they dry. And then we'll wait for them to dry and we'll hit them with the shine and protectant spray. Just a quick little gloss over. The only other thing I really would need is a little bit of tire shine, but I don't know if that shine and protectant doubles as tire shine. Probably not, but go ahead and wipe them down. All right, I hit them with the microfiber, wipe them down pretty good. This is all probably taking me about 30-40 minutes so far, so see a little piece of mud right there, but tires are a little dirty right there. I kind of missed a spot, but over here all clean, all looking good and shiny. And then this thing is looking real good. Tires aren't like perfectly clean, but way cleaner than I usually would get them with just power washing them. This thing's looking good. I'm just gonna hit it with this shine protectant stuff and we'll be done. This stuff smells really good. All right, and a quick glaze over of the final product. It looks really good, guys. First time using this stuff, I would definitely recommend it. It's a bit on the pricier side, but all good. Detailing and cleaning stuff is a little pricier, it seems, but hopefully this lasts me a little while. And the Z. All right, y'all, so that is gonna about do it for this video. I think they came out really good looking. I definitely would recommend this stuff. I will link it in the description for you guys. Like I said, I got the off-road pack, which is about $75, and then I got the foam cannon, which is another 40 or so. But shined up the bikes real well. I am happy with how it's performed. So like I said, I'll link it down in the description. Let me know if you've used Slick products and you like it or don't like it. Let me know. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.